Hi, how can I help you today?
안녕하세요. 무엇을 도와드릴까요?
Hola, ¿cómo puedo ayudarte?
Hi, my name is Abhijit Jyotilingam. Do you need me to spell that out?
Thanks, Abhijit Jyotilingam. Got it. How can I help you with your order today?
To look up your order, I'll just need your...
It's OD9384. That's my order number.
Got it. Your order ID is OD9384. Let me check that for you.
Hi, I need to change my flight. It's kinda urgent. I'm supposed to fly out tonight.
Thanks for being a loyal Gold member. This sounds time sensitive. Let me transfer you to our travel team immediately.
Hi, Joy. I see you need to change your flight. I've got your details. Let's take care of it.
Hang on. 2, 3, 4.
Hi, I need to reschedule my physical. I was supposed to come in on Friday.
Got it. I see your appointment for Friday at 9 a.m. Would you like to move it to next week?
Yeah, can we do Monday morning?
Monday, September 8th at 9 a.m. is available. I've moved your appointment and sent a confirmation text.
Wow, that was fast. Thank you.
I'll be your heart.